This is Počku live range for the Adriatic Strike 19. Here we are doing the operation, the major combat operation, doing the defensive mission with support, with the close air support with indirect fires. We have 120 mike mortars live, 155 mike howitzers live, and we have also tanks shooting their 125 mike main gun and PK machine gun. We integrate all the fires together to maximize the effect on the enemy which is advancing towards our position. The JTAC job here is to observe the targets, pick up the targets, nominate them, advise the ground commander his best solution to neutralize it, and combine the effects of these targets.